So the shop got a new wood burner, and by new, I mean it's about 40 years old, but this thing is an absolute gem. It's by Atlanta Stoveworks. My in-laws gave it to me for free. Hey, I'll take it. But it was actually in their house whenever my father-in-law's parents were building their house. They don't make them like they used to, as they say. So I got this thing where it's gonna live. I got some stovepipe to make sure she can breathe. Looking at you, Corona. So what I have to do is I have to clean it up, in the words of Ave, take her apart, make sure there's no critters shacked up inside, and possibly get it fired up this weekend. So my buns ain't freezing when I'm working out here in the garage. Here we go. Well, I had to go get some more crap in order to finish this project, so let's move this out of the way. I got a couple elbows, always good to have them. Why not? This would make some pretty sweet looking armor. I pick up 4 more pipes and slide down on me there. It's not really a custom fit. There we go. We'll take them off for now. We'll put them back on later. Talking about pipes, boom, boom, firepower. So, we got some gasket rope, as you can see there. This is a 1/2 inch by 6 feet, so I should have enough for the top and the bottom. We've got some gasket cement. Always good to have gasket cement if you're using gasket rope, right? That was a couple bucks, not a big deal. I also got some sealant. There's a crack right next to the exhaust hole. Thanks to the previous owner of this house, there is a hole there because I'm guessing they had a stove way too close to the wall. We're gonna avoid that.
Boogers, holy crap, is that light bright? I might get a suntan.
We're supposed to get a bunch of snow tonight. So I'm gonna wrap this up for the night and probably get back to her tomorrow.
Oh, I tell you what, if Murphy's Law ain't a thing, then my name ain't Chris Avvampato.
Well, it's been a day or so, and wouldn't you know, we got some snow. Probably about 12-14 inches. It took off the exhaust pipe. The weight of the snow just kind of made it fall. Knocked it off. Whatever. So we got to redo it. Oh well. To the city of surplus we shall go. We got our pipe clamps. And we got a coupler. Some people call it coupler, whatever.
got to live.
There she is. What a beaut. You thought I was going to leave you hanging like that, didn't you? I think I'd go through all this trouble, make this really long video. I think I'd spend the time editing it and not show you the finished product? What kind of channel do you think I'm running here? Man, did this stove kick my behind. But I learned a lot from it, and that's the whole point. As always, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something, or at the very least were a little bit entertained. So light up that like button, set fire to the subscription, and I'll catch you on a flippity flop.